the hell? Holy shit. Holy shit, boy. What the hell?
Anybody interested in a wheel? One wheel? It's cracked. It's done.
Is that what it was from?
Yeah, because I got it fixed a long time ago right here.
Oh, you can see that, my guy.
And then you see how it comes out?
Holy shit.
Oh,
look at
shit.
that.
So
And they say buy rear wheels. No, my miserable.
see, my ex-exhibitors never give out.
Hey, you got a welder right here, bro. He can weld wheels and shit, but he can't weld transmissions.
Yeah, that part. They are, because you know what? Here's the story. My dad gave it out for practice. I gotta take that. Instead of freaking racing it, you're like, nah, let me just. Yeah. Payment comes first. That's funny.
Hey, where can we get one of these?
Hit me up on Instagram, slimeball
Slimeball
built _built.
Pretty cool, yeah?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
He has a
Yeah,
shirt.
the one
He has
for
a
the-
shirt with a white Civic, but it's probably not even white no more.
It's a first rendition, bro.
Yeah.
Damn. So I got an exclusive then.
Yeah.
Are you still gonna keep the pink mirrors?
Yeah. Rep wheel. One of my replica rotors.
Yeah.
Oh, with the crack over there?
Yeah. We don't talk about that. Only happened once.
Once?
Once right now.
How many first place? How many first place has it now?
Buy a harbor brake box.
This is the good side. Ready for the races, baby. On point, baby.
Shit.
That thing's gonna go at least like a 16-0. For sale? For sale?
For sale.
How much?
14.
14?
Yes, it is.
For you, 15.
Not bad.
For the vlog. Yeah, because my rockers are all fucked up.
Oh, you got that fancy shit.
So the guy that I got the motor from, I never checked it, but For what I got the deal for,
His
at least.
Blueberry's old cylinder head. Look at
My head.
Slime Ball's freaking cams. It's pitted. Look at his rollers are pitted. Not only that, look at his freaking LMAs, dude. They're pitted. Look at this. Terrible. Terrible. Looking good though. You know what I'm saying? The sedan mode is coming along. Sheesh. Right here. 5 extra horsepower each. Titanium? Say less.
You're gonna case swap the right hand drive too? Huh? You're gonna case swap the right hand drive too?
No, B series type R. B18 type R. That rebuilt motor that I think. Yeah, all those now.
Hey, easy. Fuck. Yeah, I know.
Hey, you gotta watch out with that too because it's wrapped, so you don't want to try to scratch the shit out of it.
Look at that 0506. Who needs an ECU?
No,
I sure do. I don't know.
This is the fucking older one, the newer one.
Yeah, isn't that the one you bought that?
Yeah, the wrong one.
$100 or something? Something like a debt.
We're getting all wet now.
God damn, this shit's low.
Look at this girl.
God damn, this shit's low too. Are you gonna whip out the RC car again?
No, I wanted to, but the diff broke.
Oh, damn. I thought you were going to tease him again and still not sell it to him.
No.
Hmm.
You should be
You won't make it halfway.
Fuck! You guys both got it. RD8.